Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have tacos. Taco Monday.
Yes, Monday. We eat taco anytime we want tacos, man. Okay.
I know we're gonna have people in the comment section saying you guys are back, you guys are back, you guys are back. We never left.
Yes. We didn't leave.
We're gonna talk about it. We're gonna eat some tacos because we are hungry.
Taco. We talk about it, yes. But before we talk about it, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do it right now before we even start. Don't even eat nothing yet. Give them a little second.
I am.
Okay.
I'll get my something ready to do it.
All right. Thank you. We appreciate that.
Thank you guys.
All right.
Ooh.
What's up, family? Back in the good. I want that smells strong, man.
That's the Taco Bell hot sauce, and then I have this also. Can you see it? Is it showing?
Right. Hold on. Hold on. Let me see zoom.
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Decent.
I have that one. Put a little bit of that there. My daughter, she got me hooked on this, and also when we went to Texas, we had a taco at the food truck, and it was so good.
Oh, that's a green sauce.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Green sauce, but it doesn't taste like the truck. The one in the truck was really good. So, you know, we have ground chicken in here. We have cheese, lettuce, tomato. And I have the butter pickles. I got them the hamburger style butter pickles. They taste really good with tacos. Actually, B Love, she eats her tacos with it, and I tried it and I really love it like that. Right.
Yes. Nothing changed. I'm still eating. There's so much goes on without the camera turned on.
So you guys know
Please drop the mouth, my youth.
that the nacho cheese taco shells are my favorite. But I saw Eat with Q eating the Taki ones. Not once, but twice. And I said, I have to try it.
Oh.
Because she said it's really good, so.
Taki one?
Taki ones.
Okay.
This one, I'm going to try that one next.
Wow.
That's so good. How you guys been?
For real. Man, I was just about to ask him, but you know I had to taste one of them tacos first, because you know. You know what I'm saying. I want to see that green sauce here. Sorry. You know I was going to ask him, but listen, family. Yes, I was going to ask you, but listen. Right now, I'm agreed, family. Hungry, man. Not lie. Oh, my God. Yes. Been a while, but we back. So, we're going to answer some of the questions in the DM. We're going to eat them. There you go.
What?
Some of the questions the people ask us what's going on. Wow. Just know that we have a lot going on. Just know that. A lot.
Here's the thing though. It's that we don't want to come on here and keep on saying we have a lot going on, we have a lot going on. But we're telling you the truth. Okay? We see people in the comments, some people in the comments saying, you know, you guys are not consistent. But we were consistent for 2 years. Dropping videos 5 days a week. You know?
Y'all remember that?
Yeah. Going live every Friday.
Real family members know that. Okay?
So when that person left that comment,
we first look at each other and laugh.
yeah, I just let them know we were consistent, but we needed a break. We don't get paid for YouTube, guys. I know you may think we do because we have almost 5,000 subscribers,
Yep.
But we don't. And the reason why I say we don't is the little money that we do get from YouTube, and it is little, okay? It goes to pay for our P.O. box. We can barely buy food with that. So we're spending more money to make videos than we are getting money. YouTubers who are able to drop videos every day,
The big dogs. Yeah.
they're making money,
Yes.
and this is their job.
That's their job.
Okay, we have a full-time job, both of us.
Yep.
And we have kids. Granted, they're not babies.
You're frightened me now? I think it's a grandkids, man. I said, huh? You're frightened me now? Tell me. I'm gonna show you the grandkids. What you thought you say? Calm me down. Okay, go on.
Granted, they're older, but it doesn't matter. We
Yeah.
still have kids. Our daughter is in volleyball. I work 10 hours a day. I come home. Guys, I don't come home. Richie picks me up from work. We go straight to her volleyball game. Sometimes he has to bring me food because I can't go home to eat. I have to go straight to the game. By the time we get home, it's 9 o'clock at night. I gotta take a shower, get ready for the next day.
Well, family.
How are we supposed to do a video, you know?
Yeah.
So that's what's been going on. We're able to do a video today because volleyball is over.
Yep.
So we're not going to games 3-4 times a week. That's how many games we were going to a week.
Real talk. So you have an athlete. Yep. As the first day said. 3 to 4 games a week. That was rough, family. You know? Non-stop volleyball.
So
No?
we decided, instead of keep on coming on the video, we'll let volleyball season come and go. And then we'll try to come back and regroup. So this is the Taki one.
Yeah. Oh, that's the one she was eating?
Yeah, that's one she was eating.
Okay.
She does pretty good.
Try it.
I saw it in the store, but the reason why I didn't get it, I'm not a fan of Takis. So I figured if I'm not a fan of Takis, I want to be a fan of their show.
That Takis what everybody go crazy for, like the chips.
Yeah. Also, we are working on something. We've been telling you guys this. And when it is done, we will let you know. We cannot let you know now because you know we have a lot of bad mind people out there.
Yeah.
People bad mind.
A lot of bad mind people, family. You know what we mean by we say that. A lot of people has wished for your downfall. You know? So, when they come through, they will put you on. You know what I'm saying? So right now, we're working on it, you know?
Honey.
We're working, family, so that's also a part of it too. Why we not on here talking to y'all right now and eating in front of y'all, you know? That's the next reason, family. I'm gonna try this one. Taki one this?
Taki.
Yeah. So,
Taki,
you know what I'm
taki.
saying, family? So we got a lot of stuff in the, we got a lot of stuff in the makings, you know? But as soon as it manifests, we good to go. Yeah. Jamaican saying, you know, some island people don't call it egg before they hatch. So we can't say nothing. So when they come through, they come through. We coming like boom, right there. Wipe off your mouth. Right there. So I know you jump back. That's how it's gonna hit you like a cannonball. But yeah, you know, my first eating, watch them talk. You know, enjoy coming in front of y'all and eat and chit chat. You know. You got those comments on your DM saying, "Oh, why you quit? What happened? Hope everything, you know, we got good comments to make sure everything is good." You know what I'm saying? He's got a real one, no? But this is the reason why. So, as first they said, we got planned. And y'all gonna journey with us. From the beginning to the end. Appreciate everybody again. Who was rocking with us from day one. Y'all know yourself, you know what I'm saying? Thank you for the bushwashers too. And the viewers, you know?
But you see,
yeah,
when I see certain comments,
you know,
I can tell that they just started watching. Because, sorry, it's sour cream. Because
that's one.
it's okay.
That one. None of that.
Because they would have known that we drop videos all the time. We just recently stopped doing that.
Yeah.
You know? And our family members are like,
yeah,
we get it. Come back when you can.
Exactly. We appreciate that.
Yeah, but we don't want to go too long and you guys forget about us.
Yeah.
But we still have to.
Yeah.
There'll be no way. Like I said, we're doing it now because volleyball season is over.
Yeah.
And our daughter, we've been watching her play volleyball since she was in 6th grade. We never missed a game. We're always on time. So we're not gonna start missing games now. So.
Well, you know, family, you know how it is, right? No.
What do you think about the Taki one, honey?
Kind of hot, not hot, but it got a little
Kick to it.
kick to it. You know, I don't fancy those little stuff right away. I fancy the Taki crap where everybody kill themselves over. So I'm not even there. I don't like this shit, man. But we're here, family. So you know.
So
It's
the
good.
show. It's not my favorite.
Yeah. Be honest. Yeah.
I prefer the nacho one.
I prefer that one. This one got this for like more for like the kids that would like it.
But
Yeah. Well,
if you like Takis, you will like it. Because I don't fancy Takis and Richie don't eat it either.
You know, I never ate it.
He's never tried it.
My first time ever trying it. I always see my daughter kill herself. Oh, get Taki.
Taki.
Yeah. I'm like, what the hell is that?
Oompa.
But now this is my first time trying it, and I'm not a fan of it.
But even when Tamia gets the Takis, I probably eat one. I don't sit there and eat a whole bunch of it.
Yeah.
Sorry, baby.
So family, I missed us or what? Tell us what happened. What we been missing?
Who pregnant? Who
What's
married?
going on? Who's married? Who pregnant? Whatever. You know what I'm saying? What y'all been up to though, number one? Okay? Let us know what's going on with y'all. We back. You know what I'm saying? But here what? Ain't nothing changed. I still love my food. Yes, look, see? Still slim. I'm just don't look.
Don't give people my stuff.
Don't be looking. That wasn't for y'all. Okay? You alright, family? Yeah. Oh, thank you. I know. Yeah, they said, man, you guys still slim.
Tell them they waiting for you to get fat.
I'm still slim, family.
But
I ain't getting no bigger than this.
sour cream. I like sour
And
cream.
again, family, remember, first lady got her own journey, and I have my own journey. Okay? I didn't tell them that. I said it in the last video. If y'all watched the last video I dropped, where we dropped, I said it. First lady got her own journey, I got my own journey. So when we both manifest that journey, it's over with. Remember, I tell you, family, it's all on me, okay? That's it. That's you, first lady. Okay.
I love when you talk like this. It turns me on.
I'm gonna take care of my business.
I know you will.
But yeah, we just hold on. Just keep rocking with us. You know what I'm saying? And for all the people that is bushwash and don't get to know us first before you start talking.
Yeah, man.
Please.
Because I'm going to chat too much,
Yeah,
man.
we chat too much sometimes. So if you get to know us, we could tell who been here and what a long time. Cause as we said, by the comments. But appreciate y'all for watching with us. But it's a lot of videos. Get to know us. We the same people for 2 years.
For real.
Enough of that. Anyway.
Same personality, right?
It's good.
It's good.
It's good meal. I don't like the money. I don't like that. So. I'll take it again.
You see your name?
Match up my kind of.
As I said.
It's me first the inside joke.
I like the nacho one.
I got a good word for y'all today. I hope you like it. Yep. Yep. My daughter showed out this season.
In volleyball.
Showed out in volleyball. She plays volleyball all year round. So now, she's done with volleyball now. She do cheer, and from cheer she goes softball, but her main sport is volleyball.
That's her number one love.
Number one love. I put my last cent for her to go play volleyball. So if you have anybody out there, and y'all know volleyball, and y'all know a good coach around, you know we live in Florida, let me know. Please do. You know what I'm saying? That is it. And the board. That is your napkin. One more fish you have now? Done. I am the next one, amigo. And two they can hear that. My just sleep.
Two them?
3.
No, I mean, I nacho cheese that.
You want nacho cheese one?
No, I'm saying nacho cheese that, yeah.
I don't want no more, man.
I didn't even know that I can't eat that one.
You want to attack them? Did y'all take some or not? Cause y'all watch us eat it up.
I like sour cream, guys. Okay, don't judge me.
So we gave it a real rundown what's been happening, okay? I hope y'all could forgive us, okay?
But it's so funny, honey, because like I said, we tell them the truth. It's not to the family members. It's not to you guys. We tell you guys the truth. The audience. And they're like, we're making excuses. We're not making excuses. We're telling you the truth. We have a lot of stuff going on.
That is a forget. We don't make no money. That's why every day I come and say that we're size medium. So if you want to donate, family, our P.O box is there. We're paying for it. The money we get right here, as the first said, pay for our P.O box. So send me something with small shirts, you know, whatever. If you want us to try some products, whatever, anything, let us know. We down for it, you know? The P.O box is lonely, so come on now. No? I like going to the post office and they say, oh, you know you got packages here today? We meet those days, family. When we go in there, they say, oh, hey, how y'all doing? And that's it. No?
Yeah, we got some, and we still have all of our stuff that we've been gifted.
All
this that we're eating on, our lights.
Everything.
Our thing for the car that we used to eat on. Our spoon that Twin Green gave us. Everything. The only thing we don't have is the stuff, the Gatorade that Sharon Johnson gave us because we already drank those already.
Shout out to you. Big up to all the family members. I can't call out everybody's name because I don't want to leave nobody out, but y'all know yourself, you know what I'm saying? Everybody. What's up? Boo. Everybody.
And thank you for everyone.
Every single one of y'all.
Who has donated to the channel. Sent us stuff. Like I said, we appreciate it.
Yeah. You know what I do? I shot on this, you know? But you don't know.
Oh, it done.
Yeah, and say, too late.
Chat too much.
Chat too much wine. Okay. You full, I can tell.
Yeah, I'm full.
Yeah. And if you're new, when my first day says she's full, I don't go no more. We're full. She's full, but not more. The reason I didn't eat these two, because to be honest, in my real opinion, I don't really like the stuff outside of it. So that's why I didn't finish that. You know me. I'd have brushed through that. If it was two regular one like this, it's gone. But probably the kids would have loved that. So that's not my favorite kind of show.
Yeah, I had the nacho ones.
Okay. So you done first lady? That's my first lady. Look how long first lady hair grow.
It grew. I'm gonna cut it again. Oh, and then our daughter's turning 16.
Oh my God, you even tell me that.
And we throwing her a sweet 16 party.
Yeah, I will see a video of that too. Yes, and that's the next thing.
There's another thing that we're doing.
My God.
So as I'm telling you guys.
Yeah, so y'all know if y'all have teenagers around these age, you know what time it is, family. So now go ahead, sorry first lady.
No, you're fine. She's very involved.
Yes.
You ain't hear this from me, but she's annoying.
December, baby. She's lucky. Her birthday's in December and Christmas is in December.
Oh my goodness. Annoying.
Shout out to my brother Pluck. Same birthday as my daughter.
They call me Plug.
Yeah. So, right now, first lady full. I'm going to give you this beautiful word of wisdom. You know what I'm saying? If y'all can relate as always, you know? First lady. Family. Family. You can't go back and change the beginning. But you can start where you are and change the ending. You like that one, first lady?
Very true. Very true.
So it could piggyback to what we will all talk about today, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So family, I'm gonna say it to you again, because first lady hear it, because she's right next to me, so she's gonna hear it. So y'all gotta listen. So my viewers, I'm Pastor Richie, aka Chatty Shanice over there. So, all right, family, you can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. There's the next saying, it's not how you start, it's all how you finish. So if you can relate. If you could participate. And if you're new, I am Richie, and this is Shanice, aka First Lady, and they are...
And you guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there who are getting paid, but we are not.
Oh, gang, yes. Exactly. Say it again, let me hear you again. Say them again, let me hear you.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there who are getting paid, but we are not. Okay?
Thank you very much.
We appreciate you taking the time to come on and watching us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye!
Yo, you're going to keep using that at the end.